Hi everyone, welcome to the class. I wanted to go over the syllabus to identify what we're looking at in the course. This is a great time to take this course given the importance of economics in our daily life. So when we look at the syllabus will be a very important aspect to guide you in this course. You'll notice that the outline of what we're looking at each week will give you the basis of how the course is structured. This will be really important for your efforts to understand the expectation in the course. So you go through the outline and it has each week identified. When you look at this, you notice that we'll have learning objectives for each week as well. So you can review those. Here's the evaluation of how you're going to be graded in this course. You'll notice you'll be evaluated in a couple different ways. One of the ways you'll be evaluated is through the use of discussions. Discussions, midterm, the final, quizzes, and the papers, and a paper, I should say. This is what you'll be looking at with regard to that. So these are some important aspects to understand what we're focusing on in the course. And when we look at this will be the basis of our ability to understand how the expectations of the course will be evaluated. The materials, it's an online ebook that you'll get access to in the course. We also have the late work policy. So make sure to submit your discussions on time. Papers will be accepted late, but make sure to submit your discussions on time for your efforts. If you have any other questions or concerns, let me know as I look forward to your effort.